What's up, bro family? It's your girl Majestie, and I'm back with another video. And today I have another review for you. I haven't did a little ASMR in a minute, y'all, but hold on, I got y'all. Alright, so this is part 3 of my Temu order. It's originally it was supposed to be part 2, but I haven't did the other item yet. We'll be back. I'll probably still switch it around once I make that video with item 2. Cause I don't know why they sent it on 3 different days. Everything came at different times. So I don't know why they just didn't. Like, I could have waited for the standard shipping, but okay. Anyways, let's see what's in the package. Package is 1. Now, we always got the light. There you go. That's how you do it. All right. I can't wait to see what's in it. Let's see what's in it. Alright, I feel what I need to do. Alright, so the first thing we have here is my black sweatshirt. We're gonna open this later. Over there. Worry about it right now. Let's get this nice stuff because I need something out of here. Alright. Y'all, I've been wanting one of these. I finally got one. I hope it's simple to just put on. I hope I ain't got it mounted or nothing. But it's a shower foam mount. My other bathroom, right here, it has one. But I don't know if it's like, if I move it, it's just sticky to the next one. So I just brought a new one. What's this, like, one more thing in here? What is this? Oh! Let me show y'all what it is. We'll do another, this really won't take a lot to do this video. Let me open everything first and we'll see where we're at. Oh, where they at? They say it's a power strip, but it's a power block. I hold a power strip. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outages on it. Power plugs, 5 plugs. Now, do I need this? A little bit. Yeah. I could put this in the living room and connect the what's that thing called? The lamp and the TV to it. Yep, that helps. That helps a lot. And then I put something else over there because I don't have the option. Like when it comes to vacuuming, yeah, when it comes to vacuuming, like the living room, I'm talking, y'all. I'm talking. I'm sorry, I'm rambling. Alright. Last one. What could this be? Oh. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. We're not going to open this one. No, we're not going to open this one. I know what this is, though. This is a tire inflator. So this one, you'll just remember, you're gonna see this, okay? All right. So now let's plug up some. Alright. Since it's already out and it's the smallest thing to review. Gosh, and we only did 6 minutes so far. Let me see what we gonna do. What we gonna plug up. Alright, y'all. So look, this right here, this is the hallway. This is where, some people, most of these walls, everybody did charge. No, fuck that. Cut. So, alright, y'all. This is where my internet is set up. And sometimes when people are near the charger, they'll try to use it over here. So what I'm going to do, I need to plug my internet stuff up into this. Because it's really supposed to have 3 cords plugged up. But I can only do 2. And I don't know if I need the 3rd one. But now we're finna find out. So now the internet's gonna be down for a second, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll put it down here or at the top. Put it at the bottom. Alright. So this is the box. I don't know. We'll see how smart this is, y'all. Router. And another router. Alright, let's see if the Wi-Fi box come on. There it go. It's coming on. It's rebooting. So I wonder if this will make my internet connection more strong now. Because like I said, the 3 of those wasn't plugged up. And I have a router and I think an extended router. But at the same time, when it comes to switching my internet cords, my Wi-Fi names, they still work the same. I don't know about this internet stuff, but yes. Alright, so I don't really have a problem with my internet connection, honestly, but I don't know, we might need it. So you guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. And